Hey guys, welcome to another segment provided by Technical Option Traders Inc. I hope you guys are having a great day. So I'm just going to go over just a few trades that we've done and how we looked at them, just to help you guys out to understand why we use technicals here. So if you look at this chart, this is DocuSign. DocuSign was showing a lot of strength. We had a few check marks here. I'm just going to go over those check marks with you. One, it crossed over the 21-day here. Okay, so this was one check mark, a bullish sign. Second, it had a break of a resistance level, which was around here, 215, 210. And then this big one was 218 resistance break right here. And then another one, this downtrend line break. This downtrend line has been intact since February of 2021, so that's good as well. So we had this downtrend line break here with the green, which is an 8-day SMA moving up. So the 8-day SMA was moving further away from the 21-day with high volume. So you had good volume behind it. The logic here was if it broke 240 and it broke 240, then 243 was a level, or 245, it could consolidate, and it did consolidate. At the break of this flag, it could push higher to 260. Then after that, we have all-time highs. So when we looked at this on Friday, the probability of success of it going higher was very nice. There was nice volume. As you can see, the volume picking up here, right? It was getting higher and higher. So we played a small position into DocuSign, bought a few call options to let it ride into Monday, and it paid off. It was a good success, and all we did was probabilities. It had huge check marks. A lot of check marks, broke through a lot of resistance at the upper level. There was not a lot of resistance here, volume by price. So it was a good probability trade here. The other one we did trade today was Square. Square was in sentiment with the news for Bitcoin. Square overall, my big level is 240. If it can break 240, then we'll see. It could be a good entry point. But today I had a good entry to scalp Square. My level was 225. As long as 225 held, we could push to 230, 225. It did hold. As you can see, this volume shelf, it launched off of it, and it has no real resistance. It has a gap here all the way up until 242. Okay, so 240 could be the first test here. It could push higher here, break of this downtrend line, push through 240. We could very easily see 260, but I'll wait for the confirmation signals and then I'll get into a bigger position. But this was a great opportunity for a scalp today. Another one that was good for scalping today was Tesla. Tesla had a very good opportunity to make a move here, but unfortunately it could not. Big level on it remains 635. The analysis was that if Tesla held the 615 level, which is the point of control here, 615, 617 level, we could really see a push, right? So when I'm scalping, I'm usually looking at the 1-minute chart, right? So if you see here, right when the market opened up, it went to, give me 1 second. Yeah, so it broke through 617, right? Rushed all the way to 625. Okay, so 624, 625 was a big rejection. It consolidated here. I was looking for a break. Unfortunately, there was no break to be found, right? So I was looking for this pennant to be broken on the upside, but unfortunately it broke to the downside and failed, right? So this was my exit point, and I was able to make a few $100 from it. But this is the thing with scalping, right? Especially with a stock like Tesla. If it doesn't break major resistance levels, it may not run, it may fail. And I've been saying that. And as I just covered DocuSign covers what I've been talking about, technicals, beautifully, because it broke the resistance, 8 over the 8 and the 21 crossover very nicely. And it holds everything really well, and it goes through all the resistance levels and even the volume profile. So there was not a lot of resistance in the volume profile here, right? So however, Tesla, on the other hand, if you compare the two, right, Tesla not able to break a big resistance at 635. So until it does that, higher probability of failure. The other one I want to talk about is Amazon, since this is everyone's favorite here. I covered this in my couple of my other videos as well. 8 crossing over the 21-day here. Nice momentum into Amazon as well. It has prime day next week, so it could push higher here. It's closed at 3380. 3300 was a big level on Amazon, so since it's above that, it's very easy that it can go to 3400 to 3430 here. Okay, but wait and see. So big resistance, it was 33.80, so we can have a run up here very easily. So simple support resistance with a few indicators here. It does help put the picture together about what could possibly happen. So this was my analysis on a few of the stocks that we did trade today, and I hope it helped you guys out. If you guys have any questions, you guys want me to cover anything else, please let me know in the comments below. I hope you guys have a great day.